Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate your Threads account. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to deactivate your Threads account on your mobile device, head over to the Threads app. And next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Then tap on account. Next, the second option down is deactivate profile, so tap on that one. And then here it says, are you sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile? So deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. This will not affect your Instagram account. So if you're sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile, tap that big black button at the bottom that says deactivate Threads profile, and then your profile will then be deactivated. And that's all it takes to deactivate your Threads profile on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.